Hello students, welcome to a new class. Today we are going to learn about healthy habits and the environment, how it affects the use of healthy habits and bad habits. So let's start.
Okay, so before to start with the class, I prepare a short warm-up in which you are going to tell me all the healthy habits and bad habits that you know that people usually have. So
Okay.
I'm gonna write here on the board. It is clear what you have to say?
Yes.
Okay, Julie. So you can tell me now. You can start with a healthy habit or a bad habit as you prefer.
Yeah, in the healthy habits, drink water.
Drink water.
Run.
Run.
Eat vegetables and fruits.
Vegetables and fruits.
And exercising.
Okay, I think it's enough with the healthy. So you can start with the bad habits.
In the bad habits, drink alcohol.
Okay.
Smoking.
Smoking.
Eat fast food.
Okay, let me a minute. Eat fast food. And another one, the last one.
Sleep too late.
Sleep too late. Okay. Let's see how many we get. We have drink water, we have smoking. Okay. Eat fast food is here in the bad habit. Smoking also here in this column. Drink alcohol.
In bad habits.
Exercising is here in the healthy habits. Run. And sleep too late in bad habits. And eat fruits and vegetables here. So, Julia, do you consider that some of these healthy habits and bad habits can affect to the environment? Maybe?
Of course. For example, in the bad habits, smoking, because it makes a lot of pollution in the air.
Perfect. In the case of healthy habits, which of these ones can help to the environment?
Run, because you prefer run or walk or use a bike to go to work or study.
And you produce less contamination to the air, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So we are going to start with the first activity. As you can see here, we have this reading, which you have in your student's book on page 26. So I'm going to read first of all, and then I'm going to show you the first word that is involved, in this case, globalized. I'm gonna explain you the meaning of this word. We're going to infer the meaning according to the context of the reading, and then you are going to complete the other two, in this case, words, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Today, people live in a globalized consumer society. This is a world where we buy, use, and consume a huge variety of products. It must have been very difficult to live 30 years ago without fast food or electronic devices that make our lives more comfortable and easier. However, the result of all this is an enormous damage to our health and to the environment. This essay will discuss ways in which individuals can take care of their own health while protecting natural resources. First of all, people who grow their own vegetables in their garden or in window boxes protect the soil from pesticides. They can enjoy tasty and fresh vegetables that are free from damaging chemicals. So we have the first word in this case that is globalized. It means something that have an effect or is very influently in the world, okay? In this case, globalized is gonna be here with this meaning, okay? Globalized, that is something that has a huge influence in the world, okay?
Okay.
So you have to complete the another two words because window boxes is already done. You have to complete damage and electronic devices according to the meaning of the which you have in the first and the second activity, according to the context to the reading, okay?
Okay.
So you have 2 minutes to complete this, okay? You can read again and complete with the in your notebook. You can read write the correct answers, okay? And then we are going to check.
Okay.
Okay, Julia. So let's check what you consider for these words.
Okay.
So for damage, which is the meaning for damage?
In damage, the meaning is the letter A, harm.
Harm, right? Letter A. And for electronic devices?
The letter C, machines or appliances that use electricity.
Okay.
So it is clear until here, or you have any doubt about any word that maybe you can understand?
Yes, I have a question. What's the meaning of harm?
Harm is something that causes a physical damage, in this case, as the word that you learn, or other injury to someone or to something. For example, in the case of the pollution, it causes harm to the earth.
Okay, I understand now.
Perfect. So Julia, as everything is clear until here, I want to ask you to think some examples using these words. So you have to give me some sentences using these words.
Okay.
You need some time or?
Yes, can I have a minute, please?
Okay. Hey, Julia, did you write your sentences?
Yes.
Can you read them?
Yes. With the first one, with damage, the coronavirus caused a huge damage in our world's economy.
Very good, Julia.
With the second, window boxes, a lot of families have window boxes in their houses.
Correct.
With the number 3, electronic devices. The price of electronic devices is very expensive. And with the last one, our globalized world was affected by the coronavirus.
Excellent. Good job, Julia. So it is clear until here?
Yes, now it's clear.
Okay, perfect. We can move to the next activity. So in this activity, you have the same reading, but it is complete. It is on page 26 of your student book. So what you have to do here is to read it. And in this case, you can write in your notebook the healthy habits that you find here, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna help you with a clue. There are 3 healthy habits that you have to find. So you have 3 minutes to complete this activity. Okay?
Okay.
You can start now.
For electronic devices that make our lives more comfortable and easier. However, the result of all this enormous damage to our health and to the environment, this essay will discuss ways with which individuals can take care of their own health while protecting natural resources. First of all, People who grow their own vegetables in their garden or window boxes protect the soil from pesticides. They can enjoy tasty and fresh vegetables that are free from damaged chemicals. Secondly, eating fruits and vegetables on a regular basis is healthier than eating fatty foods. Besides, cooking veggies saves a lot more energy because it uses less gas than cooking fat. People who cut up their veggies into small pieces can reduce the cooking time and saving cooked water too. The third point is related to physical activity. For short journeys, people who walk, use a bike, or even encourage their kids to use a skateboard or roller blades can improve their health while they protect the environment from the pollution caused with the toxic fumes from cars. In summary, they are healthy habits that people can include on their daily lifestyles. Even if people might have not about these possibilities, I think there are many actions we can take to make a difference and protect our health and that of our planet Earth.
Okay, Julia. What did you find in the reading?
The three healthy habits that I found is first, the people who grow their own vegetables in the window boxes. The second is
Please wait me a minute to underline it here.
okay.
People who grow up their own vegetables in their garden or window boxes.
Or window boxes.
Until here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The second one, we can use another color.
The second one is eating fruits and vegetables and people who cut their veggies into small pieces can reduce the cooking time and save cooking water.
Okay. And the third one?
And the third one is exercising. The people who walk, use a bike, or even encourage their kids to use skateboards or rollerblades because they improve their healthy life and protect the environment.
You consider that all these healthy habits can help really to the environment?
Yes, of course.
Wait, Julia. Okay, according to these three habits that you found, what do you consider that it is the most important in order to help to the environment?
For me, the most important is the third one. People who walk, use a bike, or even encourage their kids to use a skateboard or rollerblades. Because yes, that's the truth. They improve to protect the environment for the kids because the people used to go to another places by a car or by a bus and don't like to walk, don't like to ride a bike, and that's healthy and it is good for the world.
Okay, very good, Julia. I agree with you. It is important to try to move our bodies in order to help to our health and also to the environment.
Yes.
So it is okay. Good job.
Okay, Julia. Now we are going to review how much did you learn today. So
okay.
You have to enter to Kahoot, to the Kahoot application in this case. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You are going to enter with this pin that you are seeing here and put your name. Are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
I see you here. So let's start. You have 30 seconds to answer each question. Okay, so read it carefully and choose the option that you consider. Okay,
Okay.
let's start. Okay, you have the first question here. Okay, it says, when we say that something has an influence on the whole world, we're referring to, so pay attention to the options. We have damage, window boxes, electronic devices, and globalize. Good job, Julia. The first one is correct.
Okay.
So let's move to the next one. So you can see your score. And be prepared for the second one. According to the health and environment reading, the meaning of window boxes is machines or appliances that use electricity, a long narrow container from growing plants put on a window ledge, tools to use in our kitchen, or bowls where we put our vegetables. You can answer. Correct. Good job. So let's move to the third one. According to the reading about health and environment, cooking veggies use less gas than cooking fats. It is false or true? True.
It is true.
Good job. Okay. We have the fourth one. In health and environment reading, the author refers to the word damage like a benefit for environment and people. It is true or false this? Correct. Good job. Perfect. So we have the final one. So pay attention. According to the reading, which of these options are ways to take care of our health and environment? Do physical activity, use second-hand objects, sleep more than 8 hours, or grow their own vegetables in their gardens or in window boxes. Perfect. So, good job, Julia.
Thank you.
I can see here, I can notice that you understood correctly all the vocabulary and the reading that we read before. So, perfect.
Thank you.
So what you have to do here is search for some short essays or paragraphs about healthy bad habits and how this affects to the environment. You have to make a short summary of what you read and include at least 2 of the words that you learn in class from the vocabulary that you learn. Did you remember? Damage, globalize, window boxes, and electronic devices. You have to include at least 2 of these words, okay?
Okay.
And you have to send it to my email. So it is clear what you have to do for homework?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, Julia. So I think it's all for today. Thank you for coming to the class.
Thank you very much.
Thank you to you. So see you next lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye.